The biochemistry of beauty, how molecules shape your skin. When you look in the mirror, you're not just seeing skin, you're seeing a living, breathing biochemical masterpiece. Skin is the body's largest organ, a multi-layered shield made of cells, proteins, lipids, and water, all working together to keep you alive and, yes, to keep you glowing. Collagen, the skin's scaffolding. Collagen is a structural protein that acts like the steel framework of a skyscraper. It gives skin tensile strength and firmness. With age, collagen synthesis slows, and enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases break it down faster than it's rebuilt. That's why fine lines appear. Think of it like a mattress losing its springs, still functional but less bouncy. Daily life example. Vitamin C serums are popular because ascorbic acid is a cofactor in collagen synthesis. Without it, collagen fibers form weakly. Scurvy, the sailor's nightmare, is the extreme version of this. Hyaluronic acid, the water magnet. Ever notice how a dried raisin plumps up when soaked in water? That's hyaluronic acid in action, except inside your skin. This glycosaminoglycan can bind up to 1,000 times its weight in water, keeping skin hydrated and supple. Unfortunately, natural levels decline with age and UV exposure. That's why moisturizers often boast hyaluronic acid on the label. It's like giving your skin a personal water bottle. Lipids, the barrier builders. Your skin barrier, located in the outermost stratum corneum, is made of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. Imagine bricks, skin cells held together by mortar, lipids. If the mortar crumbles due to harsh soaps, cold weather, or overexfoliation, water escapes and irritants sneak in. Result: dryness, redness, and sensitivity. Applying lipid-rich creams is like patching up the mortar to keep the fortress strong. Melanin, the natural sunscreen. Melanin is a pigment produced by melanocytes that absorbs harmful ultraviolet (UV) radiation. It's your built-in SPF, though not nearly enough to skip sunscreen. Differences in melanin type, eumelanin versus pheomelanin, explain variations in skin tone. Daily life connection. That summer tan is your skin's SOS signal. Melanocytes ramping up melanin production to protect DNA from UV-induced mutations. Free radicals and antioxidants, the molecular tug-of-war. Every time you step into sunlight or breathe polluted air, reactive oxygen species, ROS, are generated. These unstable molecules damage proteins, lipids, and DNA, a process called oxidative stress. Antioxidants like vitamin E, polyphenols in green tea, or even the lycopene in tomatoes donate electrons to neutralize ROS. It's molecular heroism at the microscopic level. Sleep, stress, and hormones, the invisible influencers. Biochemistry isn't just about creams and serums. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can impair barrier repair and increase inflammation, leading to breakouts or dullness. Growth hormone, released during deep sleep, stimulates tissue repair and collagen production. That's why beauty sleep isn't just a cliche, it's endocrinology at work. Everyday chemistry in your routine. Cleansers adjust pH to avoid stripping natural acids. Retinoids, vitamin A derivatives, bind to nuclear receptors, boosting cell turnover and collagen synthesis. Sunscreens contain molecules like avobenzone or zinc oxide that absorb or reflect UV photons, preventing DNA damage. The takeaway: beauty isn't magic, it's molecules. Collagen scaffolds, hyaluronic acid sponges, lipid barriers, melanin shields, and antioxidant defenders all orchestrate the skin's appearance. Your daily choices, diet, sleep, stress, and skincare, are essentially biochemical experiments you run on yourself. So next time you apply moisturizer or slip on sunscreen, remember, you're not just pampering your skin. You're participating in a molecular symphony that keeps your body's largest organ resilient, radiant, and wonderfully alive.